Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your cardboard relief unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed for today. So just to remind you of your learning goal, we are manipulating pre-used cardboard to create a cardboard relief in color with oil pastels. So you're taking the cardboard that was given to you, you're going to measure, cut, stack it, and glue it to basically make the relief rise up at least 3 layers. Again, you need at least 3 layers. That was discussed in yesterday's class. And then once everything's dry, then you'll color it using oil pastels as demonstrated in yesterday's video. So our central question is, how does recycled art play an important role in today's world? And how does this relate to art? So specifically, recycled art is taking trash, essentially, that would otherwise fill our landfills or oceans, and we are helping take away from that pollution to create works of art with it that can be quite beautiful depending on how much time and effort is put into it. So that is the answer to your essential question. That will be your essential question for your learning log, so make sure you are thinking about that as you complete this project. And your vocabulary words for today are positive space and negative space. It's just 2 vocabulary words. There are no follow-up questions for today. So your task list is to first watch the positive and negative space video so that you understand the entrance ticket answers to each question and you know their definitions. So once you're done that video, complete the entrance ticket questions: what is positive space and what is negative space. Then you will be required to begin the construction of your final relief using the cardboard provided, and just submit a photo of today's progress to the day 2 student progress. So today you should essentially be starting to draw and cut pieces of your relief. You can even start stacking them and gluing them with the Elmer's glue that was provided. The Elmer's glue, just a tip, is very strong glue. It's stronger than most people give it credit for. You just need to give it time to dry. So make sure when you're done gluing it, you set it aside to dry overnight. But try to be patient with it because it does take a little while and the cardboard pieces can slide as you go. But you don't need to start gluing today. Just a little tip for those who might want to start. But just make sure, again, you are drawing and cutting, and you might even need to trace and recut the same shape so that you can keep stacking up different layers depending on your design. Again, you need at least your relief to at least be 3 layers high. I'm twisting my words there. And lastly, there is a video at the bottom of everything. It's an optional video. It's called Cardboard Relief Portrait. It shows how to make a cardboard relief similar to yesterday's video, but this video shows how to do a portrait. And even shows a little different approach to making the relief than yesterday's video. So this might be something you might just want to watch real quick. It's nothing that you need to watch for your assignments, but it might help you with your assignment, especially if you're doing a portrait or you want to use a different approach than yesterday's video. All right, that's everything for your task list. I look forward to seeing the beginnings of your projects today, seeing them start to come to life, and I will see you shortly for the positive and negative space video. All right, everyone, I'll see you soon.